Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolutely favorite drinks, a matcha latte. Anyone that knows me knows that I typically have one of these in my hand, and it is a really simple, easy recipe, so I'm really excited to show you guys. All you need are 3 ingredients. So you're gonna need your matcha powder. This is a Paprika Life. I got it on Amazon. It's 3.5 ounces for around $25. When you're getting matcha powder, you want to make sure that it's premium grade, otherwise it's going to taste really bitter, and you're not going to be getting as many nutrients out of it. You also want to make sure that it's organic and that it's coming from Japan. Second ingredient is some agave to sweeten up your latte. This is from Costco, and it's organic as well. And then you're gonna need your milk. So I use Trader Joe's. This oat milk, I love it because there's only 2 ingredients in it, water and oat. So if you're not making your own milk, this is a really fantastic healthy option, and it's only like $2. So that's all you're gonna need, 3 ingredients. First, we're gonna boil our milk. So in a saucepan, just turn that on. And I measure out the amount of milk that I'm gonna use just by pouring it into the mug that I'm using. And then you're just gonna pour that into the saucepan. And then you're gonna take about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of the matcha powder. Pour that into the milk. And you can add as much matcha powder or as little as you'd like. The more you add, the more energy you're going to have. But you don't want to overdo it. All right, so the matcha powder is in there. I'm gonna add in some agave, just a tiny bit. And then I use an electric frother. You can purchase this on Amazon. It's around $12. It's gonna take out all of the clumps out of the matcha powder. If you don't have this, then I would recommend a whisk or just a spoon to get all of the clumps out. Just mix that all up. Let this boil for a few minutes. And I really love matcha because it has this creamy, sweet flavor, and you're energizing your body in a really healthy way. Matcha is the best way that you can consume green tea leaves because they're in its whole form. And that's all that matcha is. It's powdered green tea leaves. All right, so this is boiling. So just turn that off. And then pour into your cup. And there you go, a matcha latte made in just a few minutes. I did want to share with you some of the benefits of matcha, other than it tasting really yummy and delicious. It is packed with antioxidants, it enhances your brain function, it lowers your risk of heart disease. And there's so many other health benefits that this latte has. It really is a magical tea. So I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.